Welcome to our program Families Today. Today we will discuss an important issue for parents. That problem that the children have in different situations. For example, if your children need a paper simulation, you will follow the indication that we will give us in this program. For that we will have several indicators that will help us to solve these concerns. Welcome to Fabian Espinosa.
Hello, Danny. How are you?
Fabian, good afternoon.
Hello.
He is a child educator. He is going to talk about a appropriate simulation. He said that these strategies has been important for children and her increase. Fabian, tell me about this topic.
Okay, so I need to talk about the appropriate stimulation because it's so important for the children. I would like to return about the Susan Lewington. She said that appropriate stimulation, there are all activities that are out from the early age with the children. In order to be able to potentialize their own capacity and skill of the different areas of the development. So it's important that remember that all activity is basic of the development characteristic the project for Piaget theory. And Piaget said that each child goes through the stage in the state of the children development. Piaget said that the child goes through the stage in that same order and child development in the determined by biological maturity and the interaction with the environment. Piaget said that in four stages, the number one is sensory-motor stage.
Thanks, Fabian. Now, for complement this topic, our next guest is Nataly Alarcón, psychology, and she said about communication skills. Welcome to Nataly Alarcón. Hello, Nataly.
Hello, Daniela.
How are you?
Fine, thank you very much.
Nataly, tell me about the communication skills.
Well, it's important that the children today develop communication skills not just with the parents but also with all the society. So in the first place, I will give you tips about how to improve those communication skills. So in the first place, some experts say that you need to give time to our child in order to at least 5 or 10 seconds in order to let them to process what they want to say and also what they want to express.
Yes.
Likewise, you must need to treat your child as full communication parents. So you need to talk with them how you talk with an adult, but you need to remember and you need to still remember that they are children. Also, it's important like read, but not just book. Also, like the bag of the cereal, some signals in the street, or maybe like some letters in the teachers. Also, it's important that you, as a parent, like read to your child at least one book per day in order to increase their vocabulary and their knowledge. Also,
next guest is Paula Bobadilla. She is a nutritionist. Hello, Paula.
Hello, Daniela. Thank you. The childhood is a most important stage in the children's life. And if children age unhealthy, they will weak adults. According to experts, if the children eat a bad nutrition, they will have a problems to physical and mental development. Inappropriate nutrition in the children have the next foods. Fruits, for example, apples, bananas, because these have a big nutrients. Other important part is the vegetables, for example, tomatoes, because they help to prevent the cancer and other symptoms in the streets. Then it's important the methods to the children have a good time of food. For example, one important thing is create a good environment to lunch or different foods. For example, one thing is give names of the food. For example, answer to the children, what is the name of this? They answer bananas, apples, or different foods. Other tip is you must teach them that it is a funny moment. A good idea is sit down in the table with any family, with any member of the family. For example, mom, grandmother, and eat
Together.
together.
Like that's important to encourage the family to have a good relationship and also to increase the self-esteem in the child.
Invitate that the parents take a conscience with these important children. Continue with the program. Guest, she is Diana Barón, and she is going to talk about relaxation and different strategies. Hello, Diana.
Hello, good afternoon.
Welcome to our program. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Thank you very much for invitation. I'm able to share with you a very important topic for the children and for the parents of now. And to be able to share a very effective technique. And according to Conde and Viciano, say that relation is considered as a means by with the child internalize his idea of the body and learn to control. And this is very important because if children learn to know their body and their emotional, then they will be children with more self-control. And a very simple technique is helping to achieve relaxation in children. And for demonstration. Is possible demonstration?
Yes, Diana. Prepare the set with your demonstration.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.